Payback for going really close to my face. Rosie. Hey, honey. We have a lamb inside that circle.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget to do that.
I suppose I should try this YouTube thing. Hello. Well, I feel like a twat.
Don't say twat on YouTube. What's up, Daisy? Dolly? Dolly? Daisy?
Dolly.
Alien?
Dolly.
Hey!
Oh. I didn't last long. Look at Tilly.
Tilly looks so suspicious. Go around and see them.
No.
Oh, the pigs need their food bowls as well, don't they?
Oh yeah.
This is our farm life. We realise what we're meant to be doing as we're doing it. Crows.
Go, Tilly. Can you please pay when I'm closer? Oh god, look at Fairy.
Is it vlogception?
Vlogception. Girlies.
I always get confused which side the handle for this gate is.
Oh, Tilly, the proper break cozy now.
Oh, fairy tale.
Tilly has an emo fringe. Go! Go! They're not running. Go! Gallop! Trot! Canter! Anything! Go, Billy! Go, Billy! Yay! That was so cute.
This is the definition of short approval problem. Just reaching over the fence.
Yeah.
These are our baby lamb-lambs. This one.
Me.
Wait, who is this one? This one's Cedric.
Sebastian, because that one's bigger.
Sebastian.
Yeah.
Then we've got Cedric, which is that one.
Cedric.
Looking really sad.
Cedric.
Looking so sad. And Toast, who just peed on his own feet. And Crumpet, who's a little douche. And Bagel.
Bagel!
What's got Bagel's name then? Bagel baby. Oh.
Oh, yeah. Liking that. I'll be liking
It's
that.
so cuddly.
Mr. Turkey's running. Yay!
It's quite heavy. I don't want to hit a chicken.
Mr. Turkey's really freaky.
Are you videoing?
Yes. Say hello.
Hey. Where's to make things awkward from? Jesus Christ.
Vine!
Send it to me,
Vine!
I'll
I will. It's just too many birds.
They're freaking gone over there. Go get them, Jade. Right, let's go find some eggs.
This is how to communicate in the farm. Tylah! Any more jobs? Any more jobs? It's okay, it's not focused.
Oh, that was right. This one's like a drug. I can't stop that. I still just can't stop. My eyes watering now. I didn't break anything.
What happened there?
I slipped off the sink. I nearly fell in the sink of face.
Hey Tyler.
I just almost died by a whisk.
Oh.
Oh God. Wait. This is one of the jobs we have to do as a farmer. Okay? Ready, go. Come on, piggies! Piggies! Come on! Come on! Come on, Peppa, come on!
Look at Billy, look at Billy.
Come on! Let's go! Hi! That's a gross noise. Ready?
Wait. This one's Peppa.
Yeah.
And this one's Rosie.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready, steady, go!
I have a better arm.
I was one-handed.
So was mine.
No, Peppa. Peppa, okay, fair enough.
I don't like to play.
That one's now Peppa's. Okay. Say bye, Jade.
Bye.
Bye.